Hey guys, welcome to my channel Precious Fingers. Today I'm gonna be bleaching knots and doing a quick install. Join me as I do this, guys. So guys, this is the wig and my 40 volume developer and my bow to mist, my lightening powder and gloves. Now we can start. So guys, I'm gonna be mixing the powder lightener. I'll be adding 3 or 4 scoops. There is really no exact measurement, but I gauge it to know how much could go round the frontal. Then I first of all add a little developer to it. Then I mix to make sure it's not too light, because if it's too light it's gonna run through the lace and it won't come out nice. It's too thick, so I had to add more developer. Guys, you want to be careful so you don't make it too light. Like I said, if it's too light it's gonna run through the lace. So now the bleach is ready to be applied. So I'm brushing the hair away, that way it doesn't interrupt me when I'm applying the bleach to the knots. Guys, another way to do this is to put the wig on the dummy head and apply it. It's easier that way, but for some reason I was just lazy. So you can see how thick it is. So guys, when you're applying the bleach to the knots, you want to be very careful so you don't add pressure to it. When you add pressure when applying it to the knots, it's gonna come out on the other side of the lace. So you want to be careful you don't press too hard. As you can see, I'm barely brushing it through. I'm just kind of following the flow. Yeah, just brush through, no pressure at all, no pressure. So when I'm done, I'm gonna let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. I don't want it to bleach like all the way. So now it's ready to be washed. So guys, I'm done washing off the bleach and I applied my Shimmer light purple shampoo. Guys, this shampoo is a lifesaver. If you like colored hair, then you should get one for yourself. It's it does a lot. It tones down the browsiness on your knots. You know how you have those shiny golds? Yeah, it's tone it down. And if you like blonde hair, it also maintains the brightness on highlights and even your natural hair. It's so good. You should get one. So guys, I'm gonna be conditioning the hair. Remember, after you wash your hair, wash your wigs, always condition it. When you do so, you will thank me later. Like, conditioning is so good. It's like magic. It brings back the hair to life. If it's old, it brings it back to life. If it's new, it enhances it. That's the word. So when I'm done rinsing off the conditioner, I'm gonna let it air dry before I style it. Wow, guys, take a look at that knot. It looks so natural. Take a look at this. Wow. It looks so good. You see how the hair looks now? Shiny, and it looks new. It's a new hair though, but it looks more, the coils kind of came out better after conditioning it. Don't you think so? Please leave your comments in the comment section and let me know what you think. Okay, so my client is ready for install. Yeah, I'm done weaving down the hair. So I'm going to be cutting off the excess lace on the side. The lace wig came bigger, so I have to cut it according to the size of her head. This is my ghost bond and my got-to-be glue spray. I'm applying the ghost bond in front of her hairline so it doesn't cut off her edges. So guys, I am sewing down the wig so it can last longer. So now I'm gonna apply my Wig Out leave-in conditioner. This is also good. So after this, I'm going to apply water to it. Then I'll either brush it through or use a comb to comb it out. But before you do so, you want to make sure the hair is very wet. And now we are done. Guys, take a look at this. Isn't it nice? Isn't this beautiful? Please, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, oh my god. Like, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Please guys, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on your notification bell. That way whenever I post any video, you'll be the first to see it. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I appreciate you from my heart. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Like, I don't know what I would do without you guys. Thank you all so much for your support. Thank you for always coming back to check on your girl. I just want to say a big thank you. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Until we meet in my next video. For now, bye.